Today I wanna talk with you about grinding wheels. Which one is better? It's for Dio. It's not professional. Maybe for professional can be interesting also. So here is two different blades I wanna show you. And we have another one, but I wanna concentrate you only about this blade. So it's called turbo blade. Why I want to talk about turbo blade? Because if you want to do something Dio project, it means you don't have a plan, spend a lot of money for preparation and installation. So you need save money as much as you can. And this is a very budget blades, but very powerful. So if you check in Amazon how much it costs, you will be wondering. It's like, you know, around $30–40 only. Some blades very expensive, but this is very good. And what's the benefits from this blade? It's called turbo blades. These blades you can use for concrete and for wood cutting some humps, some imperfection, clean up the floor. You know, if it's some painting or there is mud on the floor, this work very well. So you see here is the elements with some of it with 45 degrees and some of less degrees, and here is the two rows of the blades. You know, one is you follow this circle, another one with angle, and here is big spots which is allowed to suction most of dust to your vacuum. Some blades, you know, cover these things and just they have holes smaller than this, and dust suction not so good. You need very fast grinding, you need clean grinding. This is the blade what I would recommend to you. I already use around 1 year. Just accidentally buy it because I need some blade before I use this. It's really good blade, but dust suction not very well, because here is a lot of holes, but it's not big. So if they will be big holes, suction will be better. But this blade, it's really good. It's cutting concrete and wood very well. But this one, unbelievable work. If you have a look my previous videos, it's, you know, it's cut like butter, concrete and wood, very sharp edges. And most of blades when I'm buying, I'm looking for this element should be come out from this body. If you have a look, you see these elements come out. Why it's so good? Most of blades, you know, just flat with this body, but this is out. So when you need cut some concrete floor which is, you know, close to the wall or some big hump, you don't need to grind it on top and down. You just cut open on the dash shroud the front and just going slightly to the front, and just cutting very fast, layer by layer, and you can do your job very fast. Don't spend so much time. This is the main things. Here is a very good example when I cut concrete using elements which is, you know, come out from the disc. So when you looking for blade, you have to concentrate about few things. So It should be cut very fast, collect dust very good, and work for different type of subfloor, for concrete, for wood. Sometimes it's some tiles. So in my previous job I showed how I'm grinding tiles. In this project I did leveling over the tile surface, and before start to concrete, so I make a floor made. So I had to remove this shiny surface. With this blade, it's really easy. Here is this blade on Amazon. They offer three types of blade. 125 millimeters, what I recommend you, and another one's 115 millimeters. But this blade, most of it's for polishing, and this is for polishing also. So if you buy this blade, you will spend more time than needed. I'm not using it more because before I use that blades, but not so effective for polishing. Maybe yes, but not for grinding. I would like to show you a very good example how this blade cutting bitumen. If you did it already with different blades, it's hard to do it because bitumen getting liquid, and so much problem. But here, you see, I remove front panel from the dash shroud, and now that parts which is going out from the disc, cutting like butter this bitumen without any problem, so fast. Also, I want to tell you about this blade, another thing. So if you're using, this is for 7-inch grinding, this is for 5-inch grinding. 7-inch grinder take bigger spot, grinding faster, but it took more power. I always trying to connect this grinder to the washer and dryer plugs. But if you're using this small 5 inches blades, you're using small grinder, which is fit for any regular plugs is in your home. So very sharp, very powerful grinding, and don't have any problem when electricity don't have enough power for work. So just when you're grinding, you have to use in different rooms plugs. For example, for vacuum, using from the hallway. For grinder, try to plug to in some other room or in the kitchen, and to use separate breakers, and you can work without any problem. Also, I want to tell you, if you have a blade with thread, it's hard to use. Put it on side. Use this blade because you have, when you buy the grinder, you have a key. Easy to install a blade like this, easy to remove. If we compare these two grinders, which one is work better? So before I'm trying to use only big grinder, like make more work with less time. It's work okay, but when I start using this blade, it's almost the same time, because it's like knife, this segment's very sharp, and no dust. So for me, very important, no any dust, because I'm doing some a lot of renovation projects, sometimes furniture, sometimes so many things inside the house. If I'm start grinding with this grinder, from these holes not enough doing absorption dust, and dust going from the bottom of the shroud, and not really clean work. But when I'm using this blade, I would say no dust around, very clean job, very fast job, and for concrete work very well. And as a very important, more subfloors we have with wood surface and plywood. Some grinder wheels not grinding, and you have to use special special tools, sandpaper or something, you know, like flooring ager, which is make so much dust around. But this regular grinder, nice blade, you doing your job so fast, and no any headache. So this blade, for example, cost I don't remember, I guess it's around $30-40. If you buy shroud around $50, and grinder I guess like $120. So if you collect together all these things, grinder, that shroud, and this blade, it will be around $200. So make preparation whole floor with $200. Just spend your time. It's nothing for doing floor preparation. Sometimes if you hire somebody to do this job, for example, professional guys, they take like 1,000. I would just say, so for you, it's not, I'm not telling you don't invite somebody who is professional to do the job. For example, if you want to save money, this is the way what you have to do. If you want to get very professional results, for sure you have, and you have money, you can invite the guys who are doing for example like me, you know, and we will do it, you know, perfect and without any problem for you. But if you like to do by yourself, you have a lot of time, you're not in a hurry, and you watching my videos, and you know what need to do, just go ahead. So this is the way.